shift, pivot, shift, pivot, shift, pivot, shift, pivot, shift.
I'm Stefan During, and I'm one of your co-hosts. If you're an entrepreneur that's struggling with your numbers or hitting your projections, and you want to make a difference in the world, and you don't want to just make it all about profits, then boy, we might have the perfect program for you. It's called the Shift Workshop, and it's totally online and it's completely free.
You gotta shift, y'all. Shift and pivot. Whatever you do to grow your business.
In it, we're going to help you innovate and create new product or service for your company. And one of the areas we look at is your sustainability. So, for example, you don't do sustainability just to be nice, but you do it to actually make even more money than you would have if you didn't do it. You can tap into the IRA, the Inflation Reduction Act, which is $389 billion that Congress just recently approved. We're going to help you green up your act, and all in today's new world. And you're going to learn that it's so much more than just putting in new light bulbs and recycling. So come join us in October and learn how you can do all these things.